Hello viewers, welcome to Shimi's Kitchen with me Shamala. Today I am going to show you how I make 1 kg mutton biryani at home. There are so many ways a biryani is made across India. In this video I am sharing 1 kg easy mutton biryani recipe in pressure cooker. So let's get started. In a pressure cooker, heat 1.5 cup of oil. Goes in 1 inch cinnamon, 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cardamoms, 1 black cardamom. Fry this for at least 30 seconds, and to this I am adding 5 large sliced onions. Fry this till it becomes translucent or golden brown. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon garam masala, goes in 3 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for 1 minute. Now adding 1 kg mutton. Give a good mix and cook this for 7 minutes in a high flame till mutton changes the color. Goes in 2 tablespoon red chilli powder, 3 teaspoons salt. Now adding 2 green chillies, handful of mint leaves, handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix nicely and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. And to this I am adding 4 large roughly chopped tomatoes. Goes in 1 cup curd. Give a good mix. Now I am going to add 1 glass of water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 6 to 7 whistles. When the pressure goes off, remove the lid. You will be left with a thick yakhni. If you are left with lot of watery gravy, then evaporate it by cooking for some more time. Squeeze 1 lemon, mix nicely and keep aside. Now boil water separately with 3 to 4 teaspoons of salt. Goes in some fresh mint leaves. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon lemon juice. When the water reaches a boiling point, adding 1 kg soaked basmati rice. Mix nicely, wait till the rice is half cooked. Check with the rice if it's done. Now strain the water completely and let the rice dry a bit. Transfer the mutton yakhni to a large pan. Ensure that mutton is more than half cooked and has enough salt. I'm going to add half cooked rice on top of the yakhni. Mix very gently. Take care not to break rice while mixing. Pour saffron milk on it, or else you can also use red color added with some milk. You can also pour ghee before steaming process starts. Cover this up with a lid while ensuring that no steam escapes from the food. Now cook for at least 15 minutes in a very low flame. Now dum process is done and it's ready to serve. You can also serve this biryani with raita and brinjal chutney. Also do not forget to serve shahi tukra after this delicious biryani. This biryani should give you mouth-watering main course that is typically served in any occasion. I hope you guys like this recipe and I encourage you to try this at home, and don't forget to tag us on Instagram shimis.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. Thank you for joining us. Take good care of yourself and happy cooking.